Meow. Okay, so sped up to twice the speed here. I'm starting with some shapes, just structuring Kitty's face. And some lines in there for the eyes. And I do it a little bit different each time. I'm always trying new things. It's what it is being an artist is all about. You got to do what works for you. Pop those eyes in. Don't want to worry too much about total details on the exact shape of the eyes. Just get them in there. Had to move that little nose over a bit. This is the stage for correcting. Always correcting as I go. I'd love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Let me know about yourself or your cat or what you want to learn about cat drawing. Put video idea in capital letters just so I can find it easier. I like the look I'm capturing. And the tabby stripes there, especially the ones beside the eyes and the ones on the forehead. I find them so great for creating expression. And yes, subscribe to the channel is always appreciated. Be careful with the lines. Less is more. It's really easy to overdo a drawing. And also that's what erasers are for too. Just a suggestion of fur there. Focus more on the face, but we'll add some hints of body in here. It's just a gesture sketch. You can take these kind of drawings as far as you want. It's good practice more than anything. And such a beautiful meditative things to do. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.